I don't use to-do lists, and here's why. Hi, it's Stacey Berger here with Mastering Your Mindset as a transformational life coach. I am passionate about you living a life that you love. I pride myself on being highly productive and highly efficient with my time, knowing that time is the one resource that we all have the same amount of. Each one of us, we have 24 hours in a day, 365 days in a year. I watched a great documentary with Bill Gates, and the interviewer asked his assistant, is he always on time? And she says, always, to the minute, because he knows that time is the one resource that he can't buy more of. And I love that, and I think it's just so great for me to hear that, for you to hear that your time is your most precious asset. So instead of to-do lists now, what I've been doing for a number of years is everything simply goes into my calendar. So instead of your lists of tasks and activities that you need to accomplish sitting on a big long list, and I don't know about you, but easy to get overwhelmed by that list, feel like you're never accomplishing anything off that list, and be discouraged. And so what I've done is I've taken any task that needs to get completed, and right away it goes into my calendar. When am I going to do this, and where does it fit? And by implementing that practice, what it's done is it's really helped me get clear on what's important to me. If it's a task that I don't want in my calendar, I don't have time for it in my calendar, I really get to look at that and say, is this important enough to me that I want to trade my time for it? And if not, I'm going to say no to it. I'm going to delegate it. I'm going to outsource it. And by it going in my calendar, I'm committing that I'm actually going to do it. For the next 30 days, experiment with putting everything right into your calendar. And what you'll notice is where your time's going. And are you doing the things that are important to you? Are you spending your time on the things that are moving you towards your goal, towards your dream? Or are you just in the busy work? So say no to the to-do list, say yes to putting things into your calendar, and watch what happens. The truth is, we make time for things that are important to us. If you have a doctor's appointment, if you have a specialist appointment, if there's a major event going on, you make time for that. And that's the power of the calendar, where you start to make time for the things that are important to you and let go of the excuse and that saying and that expression, I don't have the time. You have 24 hours in this day. What are you choosing to do with it? Your time is your most important and precious asset. Put this into practice and see what happens for you. I know that by being more intentional with your time, with your calendar, it will lead you to a life that you love living.